Hey y'all, guess what's here? My fabric for Rhaenyra. Let's unbox it together in a traditional TikTok unboxing video with some ASMR maybe? I don't know, enjoy it. Not gonna lie, I am kind of nervous because this is supposed to be 7 yards of fabric, which it's a pretty tight bundle here, but you know, things, I'm just like, are you sure? 7 yards or 7 inches? You know, I don't know. So let's be careful on where we trim. This came from China, which is funny because I never got a tracking number. Nothing ever really came to my inbox except it was just like, it's in pre-transit. I'm like, okay. Yeah. And another one. So it's gonna just like pop up. I do see it now. Oh yeah. Oh boy. This is kind of like Christmas. I can do the, oh, it's in here. It's in here packed. They're not even joking. All right. Ah! Release me. Release me. All right. We're here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I do believe this is 7 yards of fabric, so let's get that first reveal. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely gorgeous. Holy cow. Wow. Wow. Let's go drape it on my dress form upstairs and let's see how it looks like on a form. Okay, here it is on the form, just kind of placed on and draped on. It's coming across on the video a little more gray than I thought it would be, but in reality, it's actually perfect. This is gorgeous. There is definitely 7 yards of it. I don't need to question the yardage anymore, but I am down. I'm very happy with this choice. I think it's got the right amount of royal damask floral aspects as well as texture with a little bit of metallic because Rhaenyra is a queen and I just think this is going to work perfectly. Man, I'm excited. Last night I ended up cutting all of the materials for the petticoat, so I'm starting on that next, and then we will be draping the gown once the petticoat is done. I can't believe the fabric's here. It's getting real. Yay.